Good day, guys. As you all know me, as I'm into Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, you saw what we did last week. Last week we made one of the incredible profits whereby we took like 20K to 200K trading Euro USD. Yeah, we tried mixing USDT as well in that account. There's another account that we use as well that we traded USDT as well. Managed to make like 210K as well. What I like is I started my journey of currencies, I think this month. Yeah, perfectly this month. And I made like proper profits like 800K, understand? Because, when I trade currencies, I'm not like gonna go easy. I just go hard as, like as bad, So I made like proper profits, and I just want to tell you guys that indices, they're not better than currencies. Currencies are not better than indices. It only depends on what you understand the most. Whatever you understand the most, use it, trade it, and make sure you are making money. Remember, at the end of the day, whatever that matters is making money makes sense. You get the point? That's how it is, guys. You shouldn't let other people judge you because you're trading currency. They'll be like, you're scared of indices. It's all about making money at the end of the day. The P&L is the one that will matter at the end. So, guys, today we're going to talk about US30, NAS100, and Euro USD as well. We can try to actually like add gold as well so that everything and everyone could be balanced. So at the end of the day, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. I want to see those notification gangs. You understand? Bruh.
So guys, yeah, now we are about to begin. So this was actually our setup when it comes to Euro USD, if you can remember very well. I like the fact that our setup actually like completed and everything was so successful, So let me just do this quick and see that let me check if I'm on the right share. Let me check something quick. Yeah, you're on the right one. Let's do this. So we can be yeah, we cool. So this is the setup that I had, and I was like, in the market we gotta create like 90% rule. If you can remember very well, last week I told you very well with this setup, like we gotta create like 90% rule. The market has to end the destination where it actually like started. You understand? So this was a beautiful entry. Got the entry point somewhere here. We pushed straight to the top side, and here it was like our take profit. You understand? So at the end of the day, due to that, we still are looking forward to reach at that certain point. We have to wait for the market to create maybe a certain movement or anything that can allow us to do it, to go back. You understand? Maybe go to the bottom side. But for me now, all I can focus most on is the market breaking out at this certain point and then coming here. That's when I'm gonna start looking for selling opportunities. Understand? Not saying they might not come out where it is, but what I want you guys to understand is what the rule says. It says 90% rule from the point that we are at. Understand? So in most cases, I have to actually respect that and I don't have to disobey that. Understand? So that's what I like about myself. Like I told you guys, Euro USD, we analyzed it like this, and this is how it is. As much as you can see, that's how the market have moved, and if we can go to the higher time frame, if you want to learn more, guys, about how I actually like got this, you can check previous videos. They're gonna teach you a lot, you understand? So now I'm just being here, updating you guys, showing you guys on how I actually got the direction, understand? So this direction was like easy because even if, let's say, if I remove this, I'm gonna remove this point and this point. I just want to show you what is it that I actually look up to, understand? So from the highest time frame, I did realize that I'm on a bullish structure. Like I said yesterday, many people will confuse the word structure of the market. We don't understand the word structure of the market. We feel like when we say the structure of the market, we are talking about certain things. But in my understanding, I feel like most of us, we just don't understand what we are actually talking about. And it's very important for us to do what, to understand the structure of the market. Without the structure of the market, there's nothing that we're gonna make, or there's nothing that we're gonna be successful upon. Understand? So when we're talking about the structure of the market, you can have a structure of the market from a weekly time frame, daily, H4, not less than that. So when I'm talking about, when I'm saying structure of the market, I'm talking about something like this. You see, on the weekly time frame, I have my 90% rule. So it tells me that the market is actually going there. So when I enter buys, I'm gonna enter buys with most confidence. You understand? So this is all about structure of the market. Where exactly am I going in overall of the market? You get the point? So structure is not something that you can get on 1 minute. No, you don't get structures on one. I don't know which strategy you guys are using, but we don't get that from 1 minute. No, never. You understand? So here, because I know my market has to hit a 90% rule here. That's where it has to go. And I understand here. So that's my structure. That's why I know where my market is going overall. So I'm gonna be looking for what buys than sells. You understand? 90% rule. That's where it has to end. You get the point. That's where it has to end here, strictly here. But one thing about, you'll go to 1 minute and start looking for structures. You see, so this being my whole structure, I can still go to the daily time frame and have a structure as well. Let's see if they share structure. They share structure. All of them says we need to end our destination there. You understand? Yes, we can have obstacle and whatever we can have, but you see here they pulled back as we predicted, and then it went up. Right from here, trust me, guys, we're gonna break this point, and then we have to let it break first. We come here, we move like this. That's how we've been moving. We're moving like stairs. You understand? It's like we're riding the stairs. It never changed. But that's my rule, and that's this rule of this setup. You understand? This has to create what? A 90% rule. This is where it's actually like going. It's coming here. So that one will never change. Okay, let's push to H4. I want to show you something nice, clean. Understand? So on an H4 time frame, remember we have our whole structure of the market. What are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be looking for buying opportunities and selling opportunities. I came by here and then I created a trend line, beautiful trend line, which I call it the shape of the market. When I talk about the shape of the market, I'm talking about something that you can never change. You see, this is something that I saw on the highest time frame that actually gave me the whole direction of the market. And I was like, I created the zone there. And as much as you see the market, it's actually above the zone, buying opportunities are still valid. So I created my highest point and lowest point. It's like you're starting a structure on a H4 time frame. And it's like you're starting there. It's like I'm starting now. You get the point. You see, the Eurusd already is like kind of like buying, because it's above the zone, it's not below the zone. That's how you need to get it and understand it. So this is what I understood. So from H4, that's what I got, you understand? And then I went to H1, and then I got the structure for H1. You understand? But we have the whole structure of the market. This is like a pullback. We're gonna break there, push to your top side. You understand? But you gotta let it break in London session, then you go with it. You understand? So this is what I got when we got our entry point somewhere here. This is what I got. You understand? We got our entry point here. Yeah, perfectly here. You understand? The reason we got our entry point is based on understanding that, okay, the market, it's on a pullback, right? On the H4 time frame. Now, what we have in the whole structure of the market, we have what we call 90% rule. So we got a 90% rule in H4 and H1. So that is why we were more confident to say we are actually coming here. Forget about the whole destination. It will only depend once we break here. Then we know we're still going to that destination. But for now, we wanted to eat. I think we entered somewhere here, because we waited for confirmation. We entered somewhere here on a pullback. We entered, we jump in, we made money, guys. Making money, as I always say, it makes sense. Understand? So that's how it is, So what you can do now, let's just go back and see the structure. You saw where we said it's going, right? That's how it is, These days I don't like removing everything, because I use these things, guys, to actually like trade. Understand? I use the same PC, same setup, you understand? So it's very important for me to respect it and don't disobey anything, any rule that I just came across now, because my rules now is to always don't remove what you have, you understand? So now, guys, I'm gonna just put things back perfectly. Yeah, you see. So yeah, that's where we got it. We got it somewhere here. Yeah, I was strictly correct. That's where we got it. So what I'm gonna do now is I saw a perfect and a beautiful zone on a weekly time frame. I'm just gonna go there on a weekly time frame and add zones here. You understand? So you don't remove your setup. You make sure your setup is always number one. You get the point. So that's how I actually like got the direction of Euro USD, and I managed to make 200K, guys. I'm gonna show you on the screen now. There's it. You can see made 200K perfectly without any hesitation, trading Euro USD. You understand? So now let's push to currencies. Let's push to currencies and see what is it that currency has for. So as you can see, guys, we are on indices, and indices, they kind of like give me like sells, you know, but we're going to analyze and see why am I getting like sells. You understand? So based on my structure from the weekly time frame, you see created zones and everything. That's all we have there. And then we're gonna do, we're gonna push to the lower time frame. Like I always say, guys, if you don't understand how we put this on our previous videos, they are there. The videos which you're gonna upload, whereby we're gonna put them. But if they're already there, just know it's because those are the analysis that I have to actually like respect. But you know, nonetheless, to favor everyone, today let's just do it like that. You understand? You start from the highest time frame, you understand, and then you create places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. So in every video, at least if I can do it on one, it'll push, guys. It'll push, make people understand if you're new. If you're new, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so that you can get notified once we upload. Shout out, guys, shout out. That's how it is. So here we're gonna have this zone here. I don't know why people like using current zones. I like using previous ones because I feel like they're the most strongest ones because it was respected in the past. You know, I don't like using previous ones. You know, I feel like the market, when this December, we're gonna be looking off more of sales, and in a surprise that we won't believe when those sales cap, you know, because we are not there. You understand? So you saw here I had like a selling setup, and then yeah, we milked it. Yeah, but you know, sales were with the buys, so that was the problem. And I can't lie and say this and that. From this one, you start like that, and then you start like this. Yeah. So this 90% rule, or 90% rule has to end here. You see how nice it is? That's where our 90% rule has to end at. And we had a 90% rule that we were supposed to complete this one, and it's complete now. 90% rule started here, ended here. That's a 90% rule. That's it has started here, it has to end there. You see, even if you get it on the bigger time frame, you can still get it on the smaller time frame. Same rule, same direction. So here we kind of like having a zone. I think it's somewhere here, probably here. You know, even here there's a zone and we are below it, which like creates cells, but you know, you gotta like be skeptical with the cells because they haven't yet became strong. But Euro USD, the USD, they're actually like losing strength to it. They might give us like cells, but you know, those like fundamentally, you know. So, but at the end of the day, from here, what you're going to do is you're gonna check the pattern of the market. You understand? While you're going down, say you check the pattern of the market. So the pattern of the market, what I see here, I see a proper falling wedge. I see a proper falling wedge. So we gotta check if it's broken or not broken. We're gonna use those touches. It's broken. Understand? First, second, third, it's broken there. So a little bit it can come back, but we're still gonna do what here. We're still gonna look for selling opportunities. I'm gonna just take it from this point here and then straight here. You know, guys, I saw when they say best YouTubers and then for Forex, and then they just like put other people I don't even know. I'm like, what is this people giving you guys? Because they're posting cars every day, they're being the best. Or I'm gonna just wake up tomorrow and just start posting my cars. Why not? Like that's what you guys respect. Oh, what should I do? I have cars, most. I can just wake up tomorrow and start posting cars. You guys like nonsense. But at the end of the day, guys, this is how it is. I can never change that. You understand? So from this point that the market is, you're gonna take buying opportunities here. Not in a bad way or whatever, but this is what I see here. The market once gave us buying opportunities here. So that's our morning direction. Sales will come out later, not now. You're gonna take our buys here. Sales, you're gonna take strictly on the trend line when it retest. And then we're gonna, because this is what the market been doing here. So here we're taking buying opportunities for London session. So it's going to be like this, scalp quick one, this one, and then the next thing you're coming back here. You understand? So that's how the market is going to move, guys. At the end of the day, I can never change the setup. I have to go with how the market is going to respect. You understand? So that's how it is. That's what I see from the market that it's going to respect. So quick one, let's jump. So if you can check here, guys, remember on the previous video, we analyzed our buy here. We said the market is going, you know, guys, I like how consistently I am because You know, if I say things, they tend to actually like go according to my ways. You understand? If you can check the previous video that we uploaded on when we were talking about US30, you will see something like us saying that you're going to buy. Let's go to 60 minutes. Okay, we're on 60 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. We said very well that you're going to buy from this point and then to this point. That was our take profit. Why this point? That's our 90% rule. So we said the market will tend to come here and then still do what gave us a sell. So I feel like now the market, what it does is it's gonna buy here, retest here, then push further more to the bottom side. You know, the reason being is we are on a falling wedge as well, this side, and this one is kind of like strongest falling wedge, you know. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna adjust it because I like rejection than body of the market. So that's where the market has to go, you understand? And you're gonna be confused when you see the market paying, pays doing the same thing, you understand? So our third touch, we got it here, and then we bought, then now we had our third touch there, first, second, third, and then now we're doing what we're gonna sell. We're gonna move from this point, we're coming there. So your main focus here is gonna be you entering sells at this point here, because the market strictly will do what I'm saying. We'll actually buy and give you sells here. If it breaks this point, that's where you're gonna enter sells here. You see, this is strong, guys. Not just like a point that I'm just like assuming is strong, and then you enter cells there, and then you push below side. You understand? So that's how you're going to kill USDT. Nothing major, guys. I don't want to remove the setup. The setup, it's exactly like this. You understand? This is just a weekly update, guys. Let's make sure we are updated and we stay tuned. You understand? So this is how it is, guys. I want to see people winning, guys. And guys, our course is changing lives. If you want the link, get it on the description. Trust me, you will never regret. You get the point. So that's how it is. Moving there, then touch there, then we enter our selling opportunities. Let's jump into gold. Like we said, we're gonna be as well analyzing gold as well. Yo, guys, it's hot. Yo, in South Africa, it's so hot. Okay, so here, what we can do is we can check what is it that we have. Okay, this one I prefer starting it over because I have like weekly without trading it. Let's start it over. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool. I think it's heading for a new highs. It's heading for a new highs. And when USDT and NAS100 gonna start being selling, it won't sell, it will buy. So yeah, I understand you guys think they go the same way, but I start feeling like there are those which take the direction first and then the other one follows. So it's been a while, man. We failed to break this and we gotta break it. I understand even that one is very important for it to do that, you understand? But I don't like trading the market at the highest because I'm a reversal trader, not a continuation trader. You know, once I get in here, I'll just want to make the market reverse, and which will be incorrect. So guys, on Wednesday, we're gonna be reviewing our video, especially those ones we gave the direction and said they're gonna go this way. So we're gonna just come in here reviewing the video and show you guys that, oh, we actually seen this, we actually saw this direction, this, that, blah blah blah. We're gonna be talking about that, having fun about the videos that we recorded, because I think we took the market here to there, you understand? We even took it here to this point. So that's how it is. So this is what it is, guys. One thing that you gotta always remember is 90% rule. It's very important. You know, if you forget such things, then you're gonna have a problem. Understand? This was our 90% rule that happened. Actually, the market was supposed to retest somewhere here based on the higher time frame, but it didn't, and that's not being incorrect because the market can create where it can retest, but it completed our 90% rule, which tells us this trend line is done with its journey. You understand? This trend line ended this journey. Yeah. Even here, if you can pull up a trend line, 90% rule, it says done. So it means this one, it's actually doing what? This one, it's actually going to the 90% rule. That's how I analyze the chart. Easy. So now I have the structure of the market. What am I doing? I'm getting in the chart. Let's go to the daily time frame and see what is it that we have. So here, what we have is us trying to break out this level here. And as much as we broke it out on a daily time frame, tomorrow you'll find that we are above it. Once we become above it, then we're gonna start pushing to the top. But for now, you can enter based on a daily time frame because we haven't like closed outside on a daily. Yes, we broke it, but haven't closed outside. That thing matters as well. It matters as well. So if you can check here, even this one haven't yet retested. Maybe gold, it's not its thing to retest. Yes, it came and retest here, man. We want like a pure price action retest, like you come back and retest here. But I know in the market that we create our own retest and then it hits a pullback break at the top, then it moves. You understand? So basically here, since it came back here, that was a pullback. In many cases, other people will look for double top. Yeah. And there's a possibilities of saying this is just an inducement. The market is taking out stop losses for the double top. The market will actually sell. There's a higher probabilities the market can do. But the only thing that will depend, it only does daily if it closes inside or outside. If it closes inside tomorrow, sells. If it closes outside tomorrow, buys. So we're gonna trade gold tomorrow. You get the point. So that's how it is based on if you want to make proper money, not quick money. Yo, guys, it's very hot this side. You see, and on an H4 time frame, it closed outside. That's where the problem and the confusion come. You're gonna hear what I'm gonna say. So here, based on the highest time frame, right? Remember, it closed outside, but here, based on this one, it's a retest. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do this for today. We're gonna enter our buy, put our stop losses here, and then our take profit straight to the 90% rule. That's a pullback, bro. That's a pullback, and then we go straight to the 90% rule. If we hit our stop loss, probably tomorrow it will be closing inside. But if we don't hit our stop loss, we probably today we're gonna be what in a proper profit. So that's how it is. H4 confirming our buy there. You can see we touched here, we are below the zone now. We're taking buying opportunities. We are gone 60 minutes time frame. That's why I end analyzing this one. 60 minutes time frame gave us bullish trade, showing us that this point here it's actually like the proper strong. If you can check the 15 minutes strategy that I once said, it's something like this, whereby we tell you that the market breaks out, come back, retest, you enter buy here, you push to the top side. You get the point. So that's how it is. That's my structure of the market. That's what I understand. Where am I going? You understand? So we are actually going here to finish the 90% rule, but we can never go without a setup. You know, we have setups here. We have a setup that I can say it's like this. It's very important to redraw your setup so that you can understand what are the obstacle of the market reversing during the road like this. So this can move from this point to this one and then come back here and then come back here and then sell. Understand? So for me, buying opportunities are still valid on gold, guys, and especially on USD, I kind of like seeing you themselves. I know they might start by selling first and then gold will come around, but during fundamental they go the same direction, but during technical they kind of like someone taking this and then taking that, but at the end of the day they are going in the same journey. Understand? So at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video, guys. Thank you, guys.